continuous 9% GDP growth is not possible if it is not fueled by adequate electricity. For about 2 decades, Skipper has been instrumental in development of power equipment for the control and distribution of electricity and has been exporting substation equipment to more than 30 countries around the world. Having a clientele from Africa, Middle East, Southeast Asia, Australia and many European countries. The vision of the company being to be the skipper in energy sector and delight all stakeholders. Skipper commands a strong reputation for quality services to OEMs, electricity distributing utilities and industry users alike. It has been instrumental in development of power equipment for the control and distribution of electricity. Skipper caters to the demand of utilities and projects in India.
The backbone of all this is Skipper's manufacturing facility. A strategic combination of design, quality, innovation and dedicated customer service has made Skipper a reliable and established name in the field of substation equipment.
Totally dedicated to this specialized field, the company has its manufacturing units and offices in Bhiwadi in India, Lagos in Nigeria, Dubai in UAE, Ghana and Switzerland. Skipper Electricals India Limited is managed by professionals, advised by renowned consultants, driven by skilled workforce and is run under state-of-the-art manufacturing and testing facilities. Each individual product undergoes stringent quality tests in-house before leaving the premise. The R&D department of Skipper has been introducing new features to their products from time to time. Skipper Nigeria caters to the demand of utilities and projects in Benin, Niger, Burkina, Congo, Cameroon, Mali, Togo, many other neighboring countries and World Bank projects in addition to IGR projects. Skipper Nigeria has state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities for producing polymeric insulators, medium voltage metering units and low voltage metering units. In addition, the company does power transformer repairs up to 150 MVA, 330 kV. Skipper Electrical Middle East caters to the electrical needs of power utilities. It produces low voltage panels for domestic and export market. Computerized design, latest machinery, highly trained manpower ensure optimum performance characteristics and state-of-the-art manufacturing like zinc plating, 8-tank treatment plant, fabrication facility of FinPower machine and total automation unit enables Skipper to produce excellent quality products. In fact, excellence is one thing which is never compromised at Skipper.
Skipper Electricals India Limited, a very popular name among the distribution companies in Nigeria. Their products are installed in virtually every Nigerian city and are part of the current efforts to standardize, regularize and stabilize distribution.
From ABB to Power Holding Company of Nigeria, Hero Honda to Crompton Greaves, Ranbaxy to Jindal Stainless Steels and Voltas to BHEL in India, Skipper has served the who's who of the industry.
Let us now take a look at some of the world-class products by Skipper.
Power transformers, distribution transformers, special application transformers, oil-filled current transformers, vacuum and SF6 circuit breakers, polymeric insulators, epoxy resin cast, current and voltage transformers, isolators, dropout fuse and metering units are few of the products that Skipper is best known for. Skipper manufactures transformers of voltage classes ranging from 11 kV to 132 kV.
Skipper Energy presently has its subsidiaries in 6 countries. We have a short-term plan in our Mission 2010 where we have target to achieve $250 million turnover. We have also made a long-term mission where we want to be the most automated company by the year 2020, spread in Middle East, Europe and Africa.
Highest Exporter Trophy EEPC 1998-99, Star Export House status by the Government of India are some of the awards that have been hard-earned after years of quality performance and great teamwork.
The world is changing, technology is also changing, but there's one thing that will never change: Skipper's commitment towards quality and customer satisfaction.